Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit TikTok videos in CapCut in 2026. So whether you're making trends, viral edits, aesthetic clips, or short-form content, yeah, CapCut gives you powerful tools to create professional-looking TikTok videos quickly and easily. First, open CapCut and click New Project to start editing your TikTok video. Next, import your videos, photos, or audio clips by clicking Import or dragging files directly into CapCut. For TikTok videos, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. This vertical format works best for phones and TikTok content. Now drag your clips onto the timeline and trim unwanted sections to keep the video fast-paced and engaging. One of the most important parts of TikTok editing is music. So add trending sounds, background music, or sound effects from the audio section. To improve the overall look of your TikTok, apply filters or manually adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and colors. Once your editing is complete, click Export and choose high-quality settings like 1080p for the best TikTok upload quality. After exporting, upload the video to TikTok, add hashtags, captions, and a cover image before posting. And that's basically how to edit TikTok videos in CapCut in 2026. With the right music, effects, captions, and pacing, you can create engaging short-form videos directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.